When you select an element in any view of the project, a floating editor appears that contains specific information for each element. In this box, you can edit the most commonly changed properties of the selected element. This method is a fast and easy way to make the finishing touches on your project. In architectural modeling, this feature makes it simple to modify the elements after you place them and see how they look in the actual surrounding. Modify the base elevation, materials, opening directions, opening angles, and any parameter that is available in the list. The changes you make are automatically updated in all views, including the 3D model. When selecting an element, it is possible that the floating editor offers different options in different views. The editing options are optimized for each view to create the best possible workflow. In interior designs, to furnish a room, you need lots of objects. In this example, you can see that after placing a lamp in the project, it is on the floor by default. When you select the lamp in the floating editor, the top height option is available. By entering this value, the lamp will be automatically placed on the ceiling without having to calculate anything. The floating editor is helping you to create your vision faster and easier. Now let's look at an example of a staircase. The new tool helps you to use the most commonly used editing and modification tools. Let's see a case where there is a wall under the stairs. You can cut out the wall and instantly adjust the connection between the wall and the stairs. The next one is that you can easily switch on and off the most important stair components. This means that the solid material of the risers, tread, and stairs can be easily replaced. The 2D is focused on the representation. You can see different kinds of representation for nosing, section line, working line, numbering, and geometry text. This allows you to quickly choose the right representation based on norms, standards, or client requirements. You can customize your stairs so you can easily touch any part of the contour line, and you can make modification to customize the stairs. This is a very typical structure that in many cases the stair starts with a kind of rounded first step. It is easy to make. Now let's look at the roof. Here, in case of the roof, you can set up the overhang value. That means the distance from the wall. And now I draw your attention to this small button with the arrow. It means if you have more parameters than displayed, in this case the program offers you a second table. Here you can see that you can easily change the representation. For example, you would like to have it with or without the beams. And you can set up the beam gap as well.